Hello, my name is Yanez. I am CEO and Co-Founder of Andonix. I was born and raised in Mexico. At age 14, I became homeless, and that's where I got hooked into entrepreneurship. It served me well to survive. Launched my business to collect and sell aluminum cans that carried me to school. And then I followed my dreams, following great mentors and opportunity, and I ended up in Detroit, Michigan. That's where I had my second chance to start a company to supply products and services to automakers and their supply chain. And I grew that company to 21 locations, 2,000 team members, three countries, and over $100 million in annual recurring revenue. But getting that company to that level, it was extremely hard because it's a labor-intensive operation in a very complex supply chain and very demanding customers. And execution disruptions, creating downtime, creating scrap quality issues or delivery window problems, destroy tremendous amount of value. And that's why we created Andonix. So basically with Andonix, we provide a hotline to every single worker so they can identify problems and they can react with speed. They can ask for help, they can bring other teams to collaborate and avoid that value destruction that is created on the floor. With 30 million frontline workers in America, we believe that empowering them, upskilling them will create substantial business benefits for the customers. And we also believe that they should be able to capture a larger piece of the value they create. So we have a tremendous focus on sustainability from the point of view of labor equality, gender equality, and labor rights. So very excited to apply to this opportunity. Looking forward to discuss this opportunity with you further. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Andonix channel for more insightful content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.